What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best booming crash trader, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I managed to use this 99.99% accurate booming crash trading strategy to catch this beautiful buy trade on Crash 500. We're currently deep in profit, and as you can see, our drawdown is not that bad. We ended right here at this blue arrow, and currently price is right here. We managed to receive this pullback. It was just a short pullback, but now we can already see that the market is now pushing all the way up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I managed to do it using the 1450 strategy. Yes, this is one of the strategies that we have been teaching for the past few weeks, and if you've been following, you have seen the works of the strategy. If you have not, please make sure you check our previous videos where we are really explaining how this strategy works. Okay, if you really enjoy this type of videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video so that it reaches many other people and they can get the same help that you're getting here for free. Okay, so as usual, I will show you guys the indicators quickly, and then we'll get into how do you trade with this strategy, and then I'll explain my entry right here on Crash 500, which is a very nice entry. I was supposed to have some re-entries right about this level, but I missed them because I panicked, to be honest. But nonetheless, this strategy showed me that if you stick to the plan, if you stick to your trading plan, then you will be rewarded. So I'm going to show you guys how you can stick to that trading plan and trade with these indicators. Okay, let me just remove all these arrows from my screen so that you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about. Okay, during this video, I'm also going to give away a free spot in our VIP signals group, so stay up until the end to know how you can win that one as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my indicator section, and as you can see, we have got our main window, which is where we have our candlesticks and our price, and also we have an indicator window one, which is down there at the bottom. Let me show you guys the indicator window one. It is down here right there. Okay, so that's our indicator window one, and that's our main window. And on our main window, we've got two indicators. We've got the moving average that has got the following properties. The first one has got a period of 14, a shift of 0. The method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this one. And on visualization, it's on all time frames. Okay, this means that these indicators will appear on all our time frames, which is exactly what we want. So make sure that you choose that option for the next or the remaining indicators that we're going to install. Okay, and then the styling for this one, I chose the green one. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using so that you don't get confused when I start referring back to these colors. Okay, so if I click done, you'll see that on our main window, right here, we have got our green line right there. Okay, we've got our green line right there. And the second indicator on our main chart is also a moving average, but this time now we're going to have a period of 50. We're going to have a shift of 0. The method is still exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels as well. And on visualization, again, all time frames. Okay, your styling, make sure you choose that red color. Okay, done. And as you can see, we've got this red moving average right here. Now we're going down under our indicator window one. I'm going to show you what we have down here. Down here, we've got the stochastic oscillator. It has got the following properties that you see on the screen. What I want you to really take note of is the percentage K period must be 1. The percentage T period must be 1 as well. The slowing must be 1. Price field is low, high, and method is simple. Now the levels, these are very important because they're going to work with you during analysis. Okay, so you're going to need a level 20, which will be your buy zone, and you're going to need a level 80, which is going to be your sell zone. Okay, and I chose that black color for my levels so that they're clearly visible on my white background chart. Okay, and then if I click done, down here again, make sure that you have white as your main and your signal. Okay, make sure that you have white, which is the same color as your background. look. Okay, and then if you click done, you see that the indicator window one will give you your sell zone right here and your buy zone down here, and nothing else inside. And this last indicator that we have, which is this black line, is a moving average that is of period 10. The shift is 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close, and the color, as you can see, is black right there. And then if you click done, this will be the full strategy, the 1450 strategy. And if you've been following, this is an amazing strategy. So now let's get into how this strategy works. But before we jump into that, please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, and I'll also be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. It's basically a trading community with over 7,000 traders, where I post analysis, I post signals, I post any trading materials, and also my trading results that I will be getting from these strategies that I share here on this channel, as well as you can see videos from our second YouTube channel where we discuss volatility indices. So if you're into volatility indices as well, like your V75, your V100, your V10, you can find the links in that Telegram channel as well. And like I said, I am going to give away a spot in our VIP Signals group. Yes, we have a VIP Signals group where we trade daily, where I post my trading setups and analyze with VIP members the market on boom and crash. And if you want to be part of that, find more information in our Telegram channel. But today I'm going to pick a winner that is going to join in for free, and basically this person comes from the comment section. So if you want to win, all you have to do is to make sure you are a subscriber, you like this video, and you comment down below, and the person with the most number of likes on their comment wins VIP Signals. And today's winner is Danielle Graham, and basically they commented and their comment had more likes than everyone else. So Daniel, please contact us to be added to our VIP Signals group for free and be able to trade profitable trades like these with us. Okay, let's get back to the strategy. How do you use this strategy? Now, this strategy, you have to apply what is called top-down analysis, which means that you are going to start from a very high time frame, analyze your market from there, move down to lower time frames, and find an entry from the lowest time frame. That's how you really have to cope up with this strategy. Now, my entry came from my 15-minute time frame because I was kind of scalping. I already realized that my market is in consolidation. How do you identify consolidation? If you see right here on your charts, go to the highest time frame, which is my 1 hour time frame. If I draw a horizontal line that is almost parallel to my black line, as you can see down there, this shows me that the market is not really making any decision. It's just moving in a straight line. So I knew that at this point, the only trades that I can get from the market are scalping trades. Nothing too serious. If I'm going to pick up a trade, it will be a sell trade, maybe later on after this consolidation, or after that the market might actually choose to break out and go even further up. Okay, so I just knew that the trade that I'm going to get from this type of setup from my 1 hour time frame, I knew that I was supposed to look for very short trades if I'm even to trade this market. But if you've been following, you know that that's not the right trade to make. But nonetheless, I'm just showing you guys how powerful this strategy is and how you can use it. So I went down to my 15-minute time frame to look for scalping trades. And remember, the conditions are simple. You want to have your black line down here in your buy zone. That's the first condition. So already I was thinking, okay, my black line is down here in my buy zone. Okay, that's why I then went on to my main chart to look for my confirmation. And with my confirmation, I want to have my green line right here, price crossing to be above my green line. As you can see, I ended a little bit too early before my price actually completely crossed. That's why I experienced this drawdown. Okay, that's why I experienced this drawdown, because I was too early to enter. I was supposed to enter a little bit later, after my green line had crossed to be above the green, after my candlestick had crossed to be above this green line. So I was a little bit early, but those were my conditions. But I didn't enter from that reason alone. The reason why I was sure that it will still go into a buy even if I'm early was because of my 5-minute time frame. Now, in my 5-minute time frame, we had this crossover. Okay, we had this crossover. Okay, so if you see your green line turning, creating a very big gap between the red and the green, and then that gap starts to close, already you start to anticipate the crossover. So the crossover is going to happen somewhere around here. Probably it's already happening right now as I do this video, but I'm on flight mode because people will be calling and texting me right here on this phone. So I didn't want any disturbances, and I wanted to give this example while I'm still in profit. Okay, so this crossover of the red and the green would be the final entry. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are already learning the do's and don'ts of this strategy, the mistakes that I also make. Remember, I am still learning from the market as well as you guys are. Okay, so do not get in too early. That's number one. And make sure that your conditions are fully met before jumping, because you might suffer from, you might be right, but you might suffer from drawdowns only, and the market will reverse and go exactly in your direction, right, while it's already out. So make sure you take note of that and avoid such situations. Okay, now let's look at another market. Let's look at maybe Boom and see if we can get any trades. Okay, we missed a beautiful buy trade right here on Boom. Why do I say it was a buy trade? Number one, our black line right here was in a buy zone. Number two, we can see that in our 1 hour time frame, our candlestick crossed to be above our green line. Okay, already that's a sign that we are most likely going to enter into a buy trade. But remember, you do top down analysis. So from our 1 hour time frame, I go check my 30-minute time frame. I see what's happening, and again from my 30-minute time frame, I can see the same two confirmations, right? I'm just working with this side. Let's just pretend that from this section going this side, this has not yet occurred, right? I'm just working with my left side. So where you see the box, let's just say it has not yet happened. Okay, so from my 30-minute time frame, again I can see the same confirmation. So nothing much there. I don't enter because it's just a repetition. The 1 hour and the 30-minute are just saying the same thing. I go down to my 15-minute time frame, and again from my 15-minute time frame, market is still saying the same thing. Down to my 5-minute time frame. Now from my 5-minute time frame, I find something really interesting. Remember, I said where there is this big red box, the market has not yet reached. We're just working with our left side going there, right? And from our 5-minute time frame, I then identify the crossover of the green and the red, which is my confirmation, which is exactly what I needed for me to enter into a buy trade. Okay, so from here I would enter a buy trade, and as you can see, the market then went all the way up. Can you guys see how powerful that was? Okay, so we've discussed both buy trades from the Crash 500 and from Boom 500, and you guys, I think you've already realized that although Boom Index or although Crash Index is a market that detects a falling market, you can still enter into buy trade, just like we entered buy trades in this Boom 500 trade, which is a market that identifies a rise in price. Okay, so the same concept would be true if you want to enter into sell trades. You can actually see that there were so many selling opportunities right there. Previously, before this buy, there was this nice selling opportunity that would have picked up, but you guys already know how it works. So if I find more beautiful trades, I'm going to share with you guys, and just confirm to you guys that this is a very powerful strategy, and you should try this out first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading might be risky. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Let's get to 100 likes on this video, and in the next video I'm going to pick another winner for our VIP Signals group. Until next time.